guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make your world record plane, and I hope you like it.
Hope it goes well. Trees are a major problem.
By the way, a sub to the channel would be appreciated. Take this corner and put it here. You should be very precise because this is one of the best planes, but if you damage anything or do anything incorrect, then the plane is destroyed itself. So give it a tight fold first. Then we open this fold and you take this corner and follow the line and put it till here. Yeah. And then we do the same. We put a tight fold. Yeah. And yeah. Then you take this corner again, and while seeing the line, you fold it like this. Give 2 or 3 tight folds. Then you can do the same to the other side. Then you can fold like this, like the middle. It should be nicely done, so be pretty precise. And give 1 or 2 strikes fold. Yeah, now it's perfecto. You take this side on top and you follow the line, and if you see this cross, it should be followed, and when it meets the line and the cross, then you fold it this, then you put it a little up like this corner and match it. Then you go like this. It should match. You take this point, you put it inside here. Then you take this point as well, put it inside here. They both should match. Then you can fold them. You can do the same to the other side. Remember that it should be pretty same and all corners should match, because this whole plane is all about precision. And you take the nose and you flip it a little up like this. Take these tips and you fold like this. Like this, yeah, and it's ready to fly. You can blow some air at the back.